Ready, begin.
Thank you, Peyton and Helena. Great job, second grade. Everyone give them a big hand, please. And once again, this is the second class in a row for Friday Community Circle where everybody is in uniform. So great job, Kusa boy. Good job, everybody. So just a few announcements before I turn it over to Kumukalama today. Next week, there's a day we do not come to school. Does anybody know what that day is? Right here, Roxas. Astronomers Day. Super close. Who can help it? Right there, King. It's Friday. It's Asynchronous Day. That's a hard word. I might call it Astronomers Day from now on. But thank you, Roxas. So on Friday, do we come to school? Kumus, on Friday, do we come to school? For the Kumus, yes. For the students, no. Sorry. Sing it up with your bumps. Just another reminder, this week, it's been super, super cold. Alright? It is cold. Think about it. Wear your hats outside, your jackets, your gloves. A lot of you littles are forgetting your coats. So if you're missing a coat or something, look in the lost and found. I think it's doubled over the week. Okay? Look for your coats. If you don't have one, just go borrow one from there. The beach? Okay, so now I'm going to turn the time to Kumukalamers. Let's give Kumukalama a big cheer. He needs it today.
Thank you. All right, who remembers what this is? The class attendance trophy. Who won in August? Anybody remember? Kumu Brian's class. Who won in September? Kumu Daylin's class. Who won in October? Kumu Jen's class. And November? Kumu Moyai's class. So this is for December, because we had a long break, and then I kind of forgot last week was kind of crazy. So this week, can I get a drum roll for the month of December? Our best attendance class goes to Kumu Anthony's class. 7A. Where is Kumu Anthony? Right there. Good job, Kumu Anthony's class. And we will send someone to take a picture with your class. But how about a big cheer? Yes. Good job. Okay, and let me tell you how close that was. How many of you watched the Olympics? Have you ever seen the runners running? Like the 100-yard dash? You guys know who Sonic is? Yeah, it's faster than that. Just kidding. So, if you watch the runners run, Kumu Kumio, come. I'll grease you. So me and Kumu Kumio are the fastest in the world. Like, run. And Kumu Kumio, she beats me by like that much. That's how much Kumu Anthony's class won by 0.06%. Like, really, really close. Who was second place? Kumu Moyai's class. Yes. Yeah. That middle school group is doing really well with attendance. Good job, you guys. Okay, the last thing that we forgot to do last week, and after going through and putting all our points up, we have to announce who our house winner is. So, another drum roll. We had a whole bunch of challenges, and everyone was attending and coming and getting your stuff turned in. The house that won for last quarter is Red House. You did it. You won. Good job. I know everyone was kind of like, what's happening with the points? Remember the little golf game we did? Yeah, we forgot to put those points in. So, this next quarter, quarter 3, we're starting all over, back to 0. Okay, how do you get points? By coming to school on time, you get a point. What else? Vincent, attendance, good. Go ahead, yes. Homework, okay? And crew stuff. So if you're compassionate, respectful, an ethical leader, and a wayfinder, you can get points. Yes, follow. You come to school really fast. Good job. Yes. Everyone come to school really fast. Okay, so this next group of, this next term, everybody work hard. Let's see who the next group wins. Will be that wins. Who won first quarter? Blue, right? Ooh, second quarter red. Come on, Chichanitza Gray and Fadio Tada. We gotta work really hard this quarter, okay? And we'll have your prize for you on Monday. Okay, Fale Pioa. So red after school on Monday, come to the window right here and we'll have a treat for you. Alright? Anything else? Kumalaya, you have anything else? Oh yes, one more thing. Cheer for Kumalaya. Woo! Oh, even a hug.
I wanted to make sure that you knew the timing for our song. So I wanted to turn this back on. Or did we turn this on? No. How do I get to... Okay, do you remember when we go from here, we are friends, right? And then we always get mixed up from this one. Remember how we go back to clapping? So this is what we're going to do. The word from, you're going to hit your knees and then clap. Okay? So it's from enriching. Okay, stop. Let's try it again. Let's go from... From Fiji. Okay, so let's go from we are friends. Ready? Come on, ukulele. Not you. Just go ukulele. Come on, Biggie, play ukulele for us. We are friends. Ready? Go. We are friends. We are unity. We are friends. Just you and me. We are friends. Our family. We are friends. Okay, you got it. Stop. So from now on, when do you hit your knees? From what word? What do you hit? Your knees. On what word? Perfect. So next week when we do it, we'll be spot on. Thank you. That's all my announcements. You guys have a wonderful week. Don't forget to be kind to everyone. When we're out in the playground, if you're talking, then you should not be. Because I am trying to talk to the whole school. So when we're out in the playground, we're kind. When we're out in the front and we're crossing the crosswalk, we're paying attention. We're out on the road, we're paying attention. So make sure you follow the rules and be safe, okay? Stay warm, stay healthy, and stay happy. What was the first one? Stay warm. Stay happy. Stay happy. Good. Give your teachers a high five when you leave. Thank you. Let's see who's some boys class, you've got to give something more. Let's have Kumu Moyai's 8th grade. If you can leave, let's have 2nd grade stand. Let's have this wonderful 2nd grade stand. Kaitiaki, you can stand and put your chairs away. Let's have our kindergarten.